It's a big night for them tonight, red carpet and the whole works. Good luck. OK, Kawser Quamer's with us for the weekend weather. It's not looking that great, is it?
I'm afraid I bring bad news. Wet and windy weather to come. The other face of autumn that we've not seen yet this autumn. But we have had quite a blustery day. A blustery day in wet Wittering for Dave Doncaster, who sent this picture of waves on the breakwater.
Leaves on the line in Aldermaston, thanks to Dave Canning.
And it was a wet autumn morning walk near Romsey for Laura Pike with Reggie and Finn.
So yes, after the foggy start to the week, a wet and windy end. And if you're heading to any firework displays, I'm afraid it will be quite cloudy and damp this evening. Quite breezy as well, so remember the waterproofs, but not a washout, not too bad, especially north of the region. And then for tomorrow evening, after quite a wet start to the day, it will be drier. There'll be some clear spells, though the ground is likely to be quite muddy. Now for this evening, it's this rain here. You can see this weather system pushing up from the south, and it's going to bring some quite strong winds as we head through the night. You know, you can see some quite strong gusts by the coast and some heavy outbreaks of rain later in the night. But still quite mild out there. Temperatures only dipping to 14 or 15 Celsius. So then for tomorrow morning, it's going to be wet, it's going to be windy. 40-mile-per-hour gusts further inland, by the coast a few miles per hour more. But the good news is that will push the rain through quite quickly. So by the end of the day, it will become drier. There'll be some sunny spells, especially further towards the west, and temperatures in the mid to possibly high teens. And then for tomorrow evening, not too bad actually, some clear skies, still quite windy out there. The ground will be muddy for any firework displays, but perhaps less mild. Temperatures dipping to 9 to 11 Celsius. And it means then for Sunday, it's going to start off rather cloudy, but you can see behind me the next batch of rain heading towards us for Remembrance Sunday. So it will become quite wet, reaching us later in the day. So for Remembrance Sunday, then, if you are planning to head to any tributes, it's going to be a cloudy start to the day. There will be the worst of the rain later, and it's going to stay quite breezy. So a reminder then of the weekend, it's going to be quite unsettled, quite autumnal, I'd say, typical November weather. Wet, windy to start on Saturday, becoming drier to end the day on Saturday evening. For Sunday, cloudy to start. And it will become quite wet once again and staying windy throughout the weekend, and I'm afraid for the start of next week as well. That's your forecast.
Kawser, thank you very much for that. That's it from us this evening. More, of course, around about 8 o'clock and then again at 10:25. Thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing this weekend, have a great one. Bye-bye.
Good night.